Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my students. Today we will learn about gardening. Hari ini kita akan belajar berkenaan dengan berkebun. Now we will learn about gardening tools. Sekarang kita akan belajar berkenaan dengan alat berkebun. Shovel. S-H-O-V-E-L. Shovel. This is shovel. How. H-O-E. How. This is how. Trowel. T-R-O-W-E-L. Trowel. This is trowel. Rake. R-A-K-E. Rake. This is rake. Wheelbarrow. W-H-E-E-L-B-A-R-R-O-W. Wheelbarrow. This is wheelbarrow. Watering can. W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G-C-A-N. Watering can. This is watering can. Lawn mower. L-A-W-N-M-O-W-E-R. Lawn mower. Boots. B-O-O-T-S. Boots. This is boots. Hose. H-O-S-E. Horse. This is horse. Gloves. G-L-O-V-E-S. Gloves. This is gloves. Hand fork. H-A-N-D-F-O-R-K. Hand fork. This is hand fork.